Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card for Xbox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in Xbox gift card and start the search. Now from the search results, you will find various different links that you can use to buy the Xbox gift card. You will also find various links from Amazon and Best Buy as well as other online stores. You can follow these links as well and proceed with your payment information or click on the official Microsoft link. Now from this page, simply click on the drop down menu and choose your amount that you want to load into the gift card and then click on Add to Cart. You will then find the checkout button where you can click on to proceed with payment. You can also click on the drop down menu underneath the gift card to choose the amount or the number of gift card that you want. After choosing your desired number, click on the checkout button and you will be asked to enter your payment information. Just enter your payment information in the next screen and click on the checkout button, and after the payment process is completed, you will receive your gift card in your email right away or a physical one within the address that you set up within your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy an Xbox gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.